Sanbonani and welcome back to another video where I look at some of your interesting takes bese siyaxoxa sidikide lolu daba at hand. Ayike in this video sizodikida ke indaba engiyibonile ikhulunywa ke ku Facebook. As always, lezi ngxoxo nje lezi zenzeka ku Facebook because people really have some interesting takes nje. Umuntu vela asho nje into obungalindele ukuthi uzoyisho. Hey sana, so I came across an interesting conversation bekhuluma ke ngomseleko uMakhwela kanye nosana lwabo olusanda kuzalwa. Hey bakithi, ngiyaqala ukubona ingane esanda kuzala ikhulunywa kanje njengengane kaMakhwela, but ke sana this time I'm sure everyone has seen her. We all know ke manje ukuthi it is a baby girl and not a boy. Hey yabona nje abantu basemzumbe bakithi, so abantu ke njengoba sebeshosho ukuthi ingane intombazane, they are expressing ke ukujabula ukuthi it is not a son, which is kind of weird to me because when the rumors first circulated bethi uMakhwela has already given birth to a son, people were quiet in their corners. No congratulations, no support for uMakhwela, no one saying ukuthi hey siyabonga ukuthi uyizalile le ndodana ebeyifuna uMseleko. But now people are coming out of the woodworks, wonke umuntu not holding back what they think. So I guess bheke ukuthi abantu batheni. uMahlengena uthi wathola intombazane ayefuna umfana uyalayeka, then wasewaphendula komunye wathi ngaske afumane wona wodwa futhi leli khehla. uNozuko yena wathi abantu ngamanga bathi lengane umfana, and then uXolela wathi ndingomunye wabo. Yabona nje Xolelwa, kumele nje sivele sikushayeke wena. Ngoba phela abanye sebethula basayiveza ukuthi oba laba basho njalo ngoba hey there was a lot of you. uBrenda yena uthi umnini usamile ukuba umagcinozi, nangomunye ezoletha indodakazi shuthi uyeza unumber 6 ngoba uMseleko ufuna abafana. Usazokhala uMakhwela sekungena unumber 6, linda ubuke. And then uPoto uthi we usine nje lo nkosi yami waze wavelelwa uMseleko angena amanzi endlini, into azoyithini ke le ziyanda ithuphethu. Uthi uRalph, yo don't ever trust social media, people were saying it's a boy. Yo guyzini ayichashe ngidlaliwe ngathi badlalile ngathi abantu basemzombe. And then uLuther uthi I hope uyabona ke manje umthombeni ukuthi cha imbewu yabafana akanayo kahle ngoba elokhu efuna abafana ezinganeni zabantu kodwa imbewu yegender iza naye, bona bazizela namaqanda. Hayi uThembeni na uthi baphi laba babethi uze emithi vele uMakhwela ngoba nayo ingane ifana nezakwaMseleko. Khwela wena Makhwela, the stage is yours. And then uAsemahle uthi abantu bayathanda ukukhuluma. Hayi ngempela bakithi. Hayi shame kakhulunywa ku Facebook. Guys, yo like I really didn't know what people had this much to say because mina bengasiyena umuntu Facebook, I don't wanna lie. I only had WhatsApp, no Instagram, no YouTube. Hi sana, since joining nje uFacebook nje yo hayi izinto ezikhulunywa lapha. uThobile yena uthi uNkulunkulu uzowenza sure ukuthi uMakhwela wakho ukuzalela amantombazane wodwa until uyoxolisa komakhe. How do we know? How do you guys know this? For sure ngempela. How do you guys know this? Yabona ukuthi abantu bakhuluma kanjani guys. Her having a daughter has nothing to do with the other wives or whatever uMseleko did or does nje empilweni yakhe. uMakhwela had a daughter because kwakudala ukuthi abe nengane intombazane. And she can still try. She's still young. She's not old. She can still try to have more kids. So kusaeli nje ukuthi abantu bengakhuluma kanje guys. No, uNelisiwe yena uthi akamenzanga ngani umfana ngoba wathi ufuna abafana. This really speaks to indlela nje amadoda amaZulu acabanga ngayo because vele nje they think we are the ones who are responsible for giving ingane igender, whereas thina asinawo y, thina sino x about 2, ibona bano xy. So if bona bekhetha ukusinika u-X, then sobazalela intombazane. If besinika u-Y, then it's gonna be a boy. Indaba nje yamadoda of saying they want more kids has nothing to do with you as the woman. It's just an excuse nje to either cheat, to have more kids now. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe usuzale 3 wamantombazane and they just want more kids. Bazothi ayike, if you're not gonna give me more kids ngizoya ngaphandle ngiyozala ngaphandle. Or mhlambe umuntu selfishly mhlambe mayefuna nje ukuba nesithembu uzosho kanjalo because bayazi ukuthi wena as a woman ngeke ukwazi ukuphikisa lokho because nawo amantombazane endlini agcwele indlu yabo. uTB yena uthi umseleke ukushuthi uyoganwa aze afe ngoba unesinqumo esirong kanti indaba ikuye. Uthi uthatha ngoba ufuna umuntu ozozala abafana njengoba kuyintombazane ke nje nale kushuthi usezoqala ukuyosesha omunye ozozala umfana. Mina guys, I think I remember him saying ukuthi like akasekho lapho ekuthenini ufuna umuntu ozomzalela abafana but just ukuthi angene unumber 5 because I think naye himself he realized ukuthi lento ayishoyo iyabheda ngoba mase kuthiwa nalo olandelayo uzomzalela amantombazane then uzothini yabo. I think he moved away from leyo reason as his main reason. I think nje inkinga yakhe was just fighting ukuthi ingene unumber 5 because that was the main thing ukuthi bamlwisa ekuthenini athathe omunye unkosikazi. But ke overall vele ke siyamazi kumsele ukuthi vele abafana babalekile kena and uMangwabe has said in the past ukuthi yena noMakhumalo were treated differently because abekho abafana endlini zabo. And there was this whole debate about ukuthi kumele bekhona indodana ezophatha or ezogada umuzi nomuzi once he is gone. And uMacele, I remember her saying ukuthi she doesn't agree with that. She believes ukuthi nje akutholakale nje amanye amadodana ayogada kuleyo mizi leyo. And she even said uMacele ukuthi I hope ke uzomzalela indodana uMakhwela ukuze nje kube nomfana azogada kulowo muzi and abafana abazogada in the other houses because yena she doesn't agree ukuthi olwandle mele beyogada somewhere else. When it comes to uMakhwela, for her sake I wish ukuthi engaba nendodana somewhere somehow, whether second baby, third baby or whatever, because that is gonna be a thing if eqhubeka ezala amantombazane. Best believe whether we like it or not, it's gonna be a thing ukuthi she was brought in kulomndeni but she gave birth to ingane zamantombazane. Naye herself ngeke abe confident ngoba manje uzobona ngathi ayikho ivalue ayilethile emndenini even though she's given birth to ingane, but because akanayo ingane yomfana she's gonna be treated differently. When it comes to uMangwabe, I feel like indaba kaMseleki yokufuna madodana kuyena ayimphathi kabi because she has already given birth to a son, so she knows ukuthi she can give birth to ingane zabafana. And ke sana isi graduateile isebenza kahle, so if anything happens he can always take over agade umuzi wakhe. Yayibona leyo nto. When it comes to uMakhumalo ngimfisela nje mina ukuthi amkele ukuthi izinto ngeke zenzeke ngalendlela aplane ngayo afisa ngayo. Amkele nje ukuthi ishuthi ngeke abe nayo ingane kaMseleko because ukuvuma kwaMseleko ukuthi enze IVF was because wayexolisa ukuthi uthathe ngakubo, not because he wanted to try IVF. Yena nje into amela yenza ukuthi athande ingane zakaMseleko to the point where even if ngempela akasekho uMseleko azimphathi kabi or azimhlukumezi ngoba ziyazi ukuthi wayiphatha kahle nazo esakhona ubabwazo. Overall nje when it comes to fans and indlela abacabanga ngayo and indlela abakhomenta ngayo, you can sort of tell ukuthi lo muntu ukhulumisa ukuthi usupporta uMakhumalo, lo muntu ukhulumisa ukuthi usupporta uMacele or uMayeni or uMangwabe. That is why benalama views lawa are strong kanje and futhi alumelayo at some point because like what do you mean guys ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzowenza sure ukuthi uMakhwela uzozala amantombazane until ayoxolisa kuMakhumalo? That is just not right guys ngoba asazi, like we don't know these people, we don't know why they are in this situation ngalendlela abakuyona, asazi ukuthi future isiphatheleni. So anything can happen at this point. I just wish ukuthi abantu as much as bethanda lo engathi bengagada ukuthi bakhuluma kanjani. Yes, we all know ukuthi uMseleko akenzi kahle as a husband, but at the same time guys, sinama sisters, sinama daughters, abanye bethu sisazozala. Hey guys, can you imagine umuntu esho kanje ngengane yakho or your sister or your friend? Hey bafethu, no, this is not right. I feel like nje mele siqoqe nje inkulumo zethu guys when we commenting. Yes, it's all fun and games, mabe sijoke, but at the same time sikhomenta ngeimpilo zabantu esingabazi futhi. Thina nje sikhomenta ngento esibona ku TV kodwa ke it's not the whole story yabo. So let's just keep in mind ngalokho kuphela. But ke I do say that with love, and ke sana, tell me ukuthi ucabangani ngalolu daba. Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share and most importantly subscribe. Ngizombona kule landelayo. Bye guys.